Royal Prussian Jagdstaffel 41, commonly abbreviated to Jasta 41, was a hunting group, i.e., fighter squadron, of the Luftstreitkräfte, the air arm of the Imperial German Army during World War I. The unit would score 73 aerial victories during the war, including 10 observation balloons downed. The squadron's victories came at the expense of 10 killed in action, 2 killed in flying accidents, 3 wounded in action, and 1 taken prisoner of war. History. Jasta 41 was founded at Fliegerabteilung, Flyer Detachment, 4. Posen on 18 June 1917. It scored its first aerial victory on 3 September 1917. Commanding officers: Staffelführer, Maximilian Ziegler Junstege, until 3 September 1917. Kier, Georg Schlenker, 3 September 1917. Fritz Hohn, 30 September 1918. Helmut Bruneg, 4 October 1918. Duty stations: Posen, Hausheim, 5 August 1917. Notable personnel: Joseph Schwendemann, Hans Weiss, Georg Schlenker, Walter Keifke. Operations: Jasta 41 supported Armeeabteilung B from 5 August 1917 onwards. Bibliography: Franks, Norman, Bailey, Frank W., and Guest, Russell F. 1993. Above the lines. The aces and fighter units of the German Air Service, Naval Air Service, and Flanders Marine Corps, 1914–1918. London, UK. Grub Street. ISBN 9780948817773-1.